Hey guys, I'm Kennedy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? Hit that subscribe button down below because we are growing fast and you want to consider yourself an OG once I blow up, because it will happen and I will be so happy. Today I filmed this cranberry super easy eye look using one palette. I always like to use one palette when I film videos for YouTube because I feel like it's just easier for everyone. This is the palette that I use. It is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. Super easy, and even if you don't have this palette, I'm sure you have these colors that I used, which will make it very easy for you to recreate. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let me just say, please subscribe down below. I know I already said that, but please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. It's like right there or something. Hit it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Kennedy with 3 N's_P, and give this video a thumbs up for me. Comment any video suggestions that you would like to see besides this one, and let me just get into the video. If you follow these instructions exactly, you might be able to pull you a rapper, an NBA player, man, at least I do with a car. Let's get started. Okay, so I already put my foundation on, and the foundation that I'm wearing is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I look really tired. I don't know why. Like, you know when you're really tired and your eyes are small? That's what I look like right now, but we're gonna fix that. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Sand, and then I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face. Okay, and then taking a beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything out. I blend under my eyes last just so it gives it a couple minutes, or it gives it some time to thicken up and make it more full coverage. So I'm going to blend everything else out, and then my under eyes and my eyes. Too bright. Is the lighting okay? Let me know. And then now I'm just taking my foundation brush, and it probably has some leftover foundation on it, and I'm just blending out so my concealer blends into my foundation. Okay, next I'm taking my favorite thing to set my under eyes with and just the center of my face where I use that concealer, and that is my Anastasia powder in the light to medium contour kit, and it's the color Banana, and I'm just going to set where I put that concealer. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with one of my favorite powders, which is the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation, and it's the illuminating one. It's not shiny or anything, it's just, I don't know, it says it claims it illuminates. And this adds another layer of coverage, but it also sets your foundation, which is why I really like it. And I'm just gonna put that over where I put my foundation. And then kind of like just over where I put some of that banana powder, just so it's not too bright and it blends in just a little bit. But yeah, this powder gives you like a super airbrushed look that we love. Go in with my one and only Hoola bronzer. And oh, I almost dropped my brush. The two brushes that I'm going to use is this Morphe M500, and as you can see, it looks like a huge blending brush like for your eyes, which I really like. It just gives you like a super bronzed look. And then I go in with this Sephora small blush brush. It's number 74 to contour, just to like add more definition. For blush, I'm going to be using my NARS blush in the color called Orgasm, and then my Real Techniques blush brush. Pretty sure this is the brush blush. It's the brush blush. It's the pink one. Brush blush. And I'm just kind of putting that a little bit over my bronzer on the apples of my cheeks and then blending up. Highlight, I'm trying to decide on if I should use my highlight that I always use, which is Soft and Gentle by MAC, or if I should use my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife that I was dying to get and I never use because I just feel like it's too yellow. But I'm trying to see, should I just use it? No, I'm not gonna use it. I'll use it soon, but not today. Okay. So for highlight, I'm going to be setting my face with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And then right away, while my face is still damp, I'm going to use some highlights, the MAC Soft and Gentle, and my Morphe M510 brush. So the first, I look so crazy right now. The first color that I'm going in with this palette is going to be this center color right here. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease, and I kind of want to blow it out. So I'm going to put it in my crease and then just focus on blowing it out towards the end of my brow. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M513. Next, I'm going to be taking a super small brush. It looks like this, and it is the Morphe M562. I'm going in with this deep burgundy shade right here, and I'm going to focus that in my crease and then blending it into the crease color. And yeah, just kind of deepening up my crease with this color. And then I'm using this other brush just to blend out any harsh lines. And I'm going to go back and forth between those brushes. Next, I'm taking the same burgundy color, just a different, like just a flat brush. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Kind of create like a burgundy smoky eye type look. The first brush we used and the first color we used as the transition, and I'm going to just take that and use that to blend any harsh lines out and just to kind of blow the eye look outwards. Small blending brush, I'm going to use that to drag these colors under my lid. I mean, on my lower lash line. Okay, in my inner corner, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is like a shimmery pink champagne color. And I'm going to put that just right in my inner corner to, you know, we always need an inner corner shade, so. Next, I'm going to go add some lashes, so I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I added my lashes, which will be linked down below, and I also added my like lip combo that I always do, which will also be linked down below, but it is, just so you guys know, it's my recent fave. I was like looking forever to find a good lip combo that was like in between like nude, but not too nude, whatever. But it's Spice by MAC, the lip pencil, and then Cream de Nude, the lipstick, also by MAC. Again, I'll link it below so you can go get you some. I hope you guys enjoyed, and it gives, you know, major fall vibes, cranberry vibes, you know what I mean? Let me know if you guys want a video on how I apply lashes. I will gladly post that video for you. Please like and subscribe to me, or like this video and subscribe to me, and comment down below any other video suggestions that you guys want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.